Welcome to another training video from XMPRO. Today we will be looking at how to create and manage templates. Now, what is a template? Template basically, as the name suggests, is sort of a pre-configured app that you may have already structured and created the layout in a certain way that you want to reuse. So template allows you to basically store that structure and layout, and then when you want to create a new app, use that template to give you a bit of head start. Now, how a template is created is, for example, I am in this app that I have created. It's called Asset Event Board. It has two pages, a landing page and asset details page. If I look at the landing page, you'll see that I've already laid out all the controls that I need in order to display some information of my asset. I have nicely structured a gauge and a chart here which might be displaying some key information, maybe some real-time data coming from that asset. Along with that, I have a recommendations list coming up over here, which might be giving me some alerts as per the condition monitoring that might be configured on that asset. Similarly, I have a grid here where I might want to display service history or work history of that asset. Lastly, I have an image popping up here where I might want to display a CAD diagram or a blow up of that asset. Maybe it is a submersible pump and I want to display its CAD diagram over there. So now that I have done all this work here, I have realized that I often need to do this for multiple apps. When I create different type of assets, they usually all start with a similar landing page. And the best thing I can do is, if I create a template out of this, then I will not have to do this every time, and I'll get that bit of a head start. And that's not only just for me, but also for any other user who is creating similar apps. They will also be able to use my template. So how do we create a template? Well, let's go to our app, and if I pop into the More menu, you'll see there's a Save Template option. I can click on that, and once I change the basic information that it is asking me of a template, like a name and description, the only other information I may want to provide here is which category it should belong to and what screenshots it should have. So I'll choose a screenshot, and that will help other people when they want to look at my template to understand what it contains. Now I am ready to save. By clicking save, it will then be added to my list of templates. Now in the second part, how do we manage these templates? If I click on the templates option here, it will display me a list of all my templates. And if I want to change one of my templates, perhaps I want to change their name or description, or change the category they belong to, or change its images, I can do so over here. Along with that, I have option to delete that template, and also to import and export them, but that's the topic of a separate video. So that was how you create and manage templates. In the next video, we will see how to actually use this template when I want to create a new app. Thank you so much.